Hey, I'm Andrew Connell. This video is an overview of one of the chapters in my course, Mastering the SharePoint Framework, that's available for purchase on my site, voitanos.io. This overview video is going to give you an idea of everything that the chapter covers. You can learn more by checking out the description in the notes below the video. If you got any questions about this chapter or about the course in general, just make sure you drop a comment below below the video, and I'll be sure to get back to you. So with that, let me get out of the way. Enjoy the overview to this chapter. When building SharePoint Framework solutions, regardless if they're client-side web parts or UI extensions, there is a visual component to these controls. And while you can implement these interfaces by hand yourself, why not take advantage of a widely used and well-known library? Yep, I'm referring to jQuery. In this chapter, you're going to learn how to leverage jQuery from the community, as well as a few plugins to implement the desired user experience for your SharePoint Framework customizations. So let's see what we're going to cover in this chapter. We'll first start with an overview of jQuery, understanding kind of what jQuery is to those of you who are new to it, and then to see a little bit of how it works and understanding what the benefit is to using a library such as jQuery. Then we're going to dive into the demos. So I'm first going to look at how we can use jQuery in SharePoint Framework solutions, how we can use jQuery plugins in SharePoint Framework solutions, and then we'll finish by looking at we can use the component library, the jQuery UI library in SharePoint Framework solutions. So let's go ahead and get started.